So really quickly before we go, I wanted to talk a little bit about my strategy for beating the jet lag, right? Using a little bit of biohacking. As I said before, we only had 48 hours in Tokyo, so it's going to be kind of a crush. And we don't want to get kneecapped right in the beginning due to the time difference. So a little bit of physio tells us that the release of melatonin from your pineal gland not only puts you to sleep, but it also entrains your sleep-wake cycle, which means that you can actually trick your body into shifting its day-night cycle using a couple of methods by either stimulating the release of or inhibiting the release of melatonin. So how do you stimulate it? Well, you just take like a little supplement, right? That's melatonin, 3 milligrams. And that's going to trick your body into thinking that it is time to go to bed. So the idea is when it's actually bedtime in Japan, we take like a little melatonin, we tough it out, we get onto our 11-hour flight, and then we actually take a full night's sleep. And the way we actually get to sleep is with drugs. No, I'm just kidding. This is just diphenhydramine, right? So that's going to help put us to sleep. And it's spring, so we're going to need a little allergy medication. Other than that, the idea is once we get our boots on the ground, right, we actually expose ourselves to light, but not just like normal light. We need actual sunlight. It's got to have some sort of blue wave UV radiation in order to inhibit the release of melatonin. So we kick up the sleep-inducing hormone in our head artificially. That tells our body that it's time to sleep when it's not actually time to sleep. And then we get out in the sunlight, get a little bit of activity, and then we stop the release. And then hopefully our body clock shifts a lot more rapidly than it would if you were to just tough it out normally. Anyway, I guess you'll see for yourself whether or not that works. So wish me luck.